Hello and welcome to my Code Explorer YouTube channel. In this series, I will be teaching you everything you need to know about ASP.NET Core from scratch, whatever you are a beginner or someone looking to refine your skill. In this first video, we will cover what ASP.NET Core is, why it's one of the most powerful framework for modern web development, and how you can get started. By the end of this series, you will be able to build fully functional web application using ASP.NET Core. Before we dive into coding, let's first understand what ASP.NET Core is and how it fit into web development. So, the definition of ASP.NET Core, ASP.NET Core is a free framework created by Microsoft. It's open source and cross-platform. Developers use it to build modern website, web API, in web application. Here, open source means anyone can view and contribute to its code. Cross-platform means it works on Windows, Linux, and Mac operating system. Prerequisite: before getting started, you should have a basic understanding of C Sharp. C Sharp is a programming language. HTML for designing web pages, which Visual Studio, the development environment used to write and run your code. Object-oriented programming, to understand how ASP.NET Core organizes and structures code. Key feature of ASP.NET Core is cross-platform. It means run seamlessly on Windows, Mac, and Linux. High performance, built for speed and scalability in modern web application. Many APIs allow you to create lightweight API with less code. Blazor enhancement improve support for WebAssembly and interactive UIs. Enhance authentication and authorization. Means strong support for ASP.NET identity and security features. Next, we have why use ASP.NET Core. So we use based on these reasons for web APIs and web application. Build scalable RESTful API, Razor Pages in MVC application. For real-time application, using ASP.NET Core, you can create real-time application. It means it introduce SignalR for real-time communication, like chat application, live dashboard, for microservices, for Blazor apps. So, how to get started with ASP.NET Core MVC? Step 1, install prerequisite. So, prerequisite is .NET SDK. So, what is .NET SDK? In next slide, we will discuss all about SDK. Install an IDE, Visual Studio or Visual Studio Code. Step 2, create and run your first application. Using these commands, you can create your first application. .NET New Web, show your application name, then run, then name of the application, then .NET Run. So using of this command, based on command, you run your first application. So let's talk about what SDK. SDK is nothing, just a software development kit. It's a collection of tools, library, and documentation the developer use to build application for a specific platform or framework. Here I'm using .NET 8. .NET 8 provide everything needed to develop, build, run, and publish application using .NET 8. So the component of .NET 8 inside SDK we have .NET Runtime, which runs the .NET application. Next we have compiler, which converts C Sharp, F Sharp, and Visual Basic code into executable application. Third one, we have library, include built-in functionality like database access, authentication, input-output file. Last one, we have command line interface, CLI, .NET command for managing project, like create project, build project, run server, manage dependency. So these are about the ASP.NET Core introduction. In the next video, we will set up our development environment and start building our first ASP.NET Core application. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification so you don't miss any future lesson. Also, if you have any question, drop them in the comment below. I will love to hear from you. See you in the next video. Thank you.